Hey guys, I will show you how to fix this problem on Windows system. So this solution is applicable for Windows 10 and Windows 11 operating system. What you have to do, you need to just follow my screen and we will fix this issue together. In the first step, we need to just go to the search bar and type your device manager. You can click here to open it, and again there is a one simplest way to open it. Simply right click on the start icon and go to device manager. Once we're here, we need to expand the sound, video and game controllers. Then we have to right click on the particular audio device, go to properties, go to update drivers and select the update drivers. Now select the first option, then the best drivers will be installed automatically. Then just go back. If this not work, you can choose the second option, click on let me pick from list of available settings and then select the model, click on next, and the best drivers will be installed automatically. After that, we need to go to the audio inputs and outputs. So right click on the speakers, open its properties, go to drivers tab, select the update driver and select the first option, and again the best drivers will be installed automatically. Once done, you have to simply restart your system to fix this issue, and you can also check out our description link to fix this issue quickly and effectively. That will be also a better way. And yeah, don't forget to like the video, please do subscribe the channel.